From 19th to 22nd November 2020, a 4-day long adventure festival was organized at Bilkhet, a village in Pauri Garhwal region of Uttarakhand. It was organized for the first time, so it was first Nair Valley Adventure Festival. It was organized by Pauri administration, Uttarakhand Tourism, and a team of adventure sports professionals from different organizations. You can see the logos. MTB Adventures, Himalayan Adventure Festival, there's Globe Racers, there's Adventure Legend. Okay, so this was organized from 19th to 22nd November 2020 at Bilkhet. Let's see the location of Bilkhet. Here we have Google Earth on which we are taking you to the Bilkhet. So it's a village on the banks of river Nair, okay, from where the name of festival is taken, Nair Valley Adventure Festival, because this village is situated on the banks of river Nair, that is home to Golden Mahshir. You can see Mahshir camps is located. There's Banga, a place famous for for angling activities, for fishing. Okay, so this is the Google Earth terrain of geographic terrain of Bilkhet village. It's in Satpuli. You can see. Okay, so this is Nair Valley, Nair River flowing, and this is Satpuli. Okay, this Bilkhet, this village is accessible from Lansdowne. It is just 1 hour drive from Lansdowne. Okay, so Lansdowne is a place. Here we have Bilkhet and here we have Lansdowne. So it is just 1 hour drive from Lansdowne. From Kotdwar it is 2 hours drive. Okay, so here we have Kotdwar, from where Bilkhet is just 2 hours drive. From Dehradun it is 4 hours drive. There's Kalagarh Tiger Reserve. You can also see some more places like Jim Corbett National Park, Kalagarh Tiger Reserve. Okay, so that was the location of Bilkhet on Google Earth, and this Nair Valley Adventure Festival was inaugurated by Trivendra Singh Rawat, Honorable Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, and Satpal Maharaj, Honorable Tourism Minister, Minister for Tourism, Culture and Irrigation in Cabinet of Uttarakhand. There was National Paragliding Accuracy Competition that was organized. You can see there were cash prizes, there was free participation, there was complimentary stay for competition pilots. Okay, so National Paragliding Accuracy Competition was also organized in this festival. There's a site in Himachal called Bidbiling or Birbiling, okay, Bidbiling in Himachal in Kangra district where paragliding World Cup happens, okay. Recently in Himachal a place called Bandla Hill, that is a hill in Bilaspur, okay, Bilaspur district. So basically in Bilaspur there's one more paragliding acro cup that happened very recently, okay, and this was national paragliding accuracy competition that was organized at Bilkhet in this festival, okay, Nair Valley Adventure Festival. So various people, various professionals from different states came there and participated in this festival, in this competition, national paragliding competition. Apart from paragliding, there were several other activities that were organized. There was mountain biking, there was trail running, okay. So these competitions were also organized, like mountain biking, trail running, different kinds of paragliding, from solo paragliding to tandem flights. Tandem flights are basically two people flying together, okay. So there are paragliding that is done solo and paragliding that is done in group, that is done in tandem, okay. So two people are flying together, that is those flights are known as tandem flights. And there's powered gliders also, or paramotoring. It is basically a motor or an engine is attached with the glides, okay. So there's an engine or motor with the help of which these glides take off, okay. So they can take off even in the leveled ground, even in the still air. So that is the benefit of this paramotoring, or we can say powered glides, okay, powered gliders. We call them PPG also. So there's different paragliding activities that happened. There's different water sports activities also, like kayaking. Okay, so you can see these are images I've taken from Uttarakhand Tourism Facebook page. Okay, so they were really very active. They were sharing pictures of the festival on the social media also, and there was camping and angling activities that also happened. Okay, so you can see, as I said, that in Nayar Valley you will find golden mahshir. Golden mahshir. This is golden mahshir. Okay. So angling activities also happened. Angling competition, kayaking. You can see. So these are called kayaks and these are rafts. Okay. So water sports activities, ballooning, paragliding, and competition, paragliding, accuracy competition, mountain biking, trail running. So number of activities they organized in this 4 day long adventure festival. Okay, so these festivals are organized to put a destination on a global tourism map, on adventure tourism map. So that is the idea behind organizing such competitions, to promote a destination for tourism activities, to bring tourism to that destination. There's skiing festival that happens in Oli. In Uttarakhand, we have a place called Oli where skiing festivals is also organized. Okay, and on the concluding day of this festival, there were prizes that were distributed. You can see cash prizes were given for 50,000, 30,000, 20,000 for first, second and third position in this national level paragliding competition. Okay, so names of the winners are given. There's angling competition in which Satpal from Himachal Pradesh won the first prize. Okay, so there were different competitions were there, and there was cash prizes that were given to these people who won these competitions. So that's the end of video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching this. Keep watching, keep supporting. Have a great day ahead.